Welcome to PAT Manufacturing Solutions, where we bring you cutting-edge technology to streamline your packaging needs. Today, we're excited to introduce our advanced weigh filling and packaging machine, designed specifically for handling nails, screws, and other small parts with utmost precision. Our process begins with the state-of-the-art bucket conveyor system. This system efficiently lifts and transports the small parts, ensuring a smooth flow and minimizing jams. The buckets carry the items up to the top of our vertical packaging machine, where the real magic happens. At the core of our machine is the dual-head weighing system. Each head is equipped with high-precision load cells that guarantee accurate measurement of the desired weight. This system is capable of handling weights up to 3 kilograms with remarkable accuracy, ensuring that each package contains the exact amount needed. The dual-head configuration also enhances speed and efficiency, allowing simultaneous weighing and filling for faster throughput. Once the parts are accurately weighed, they are dispensed into pre-formed bags. Our vertical form fill seal, VFFS, technology takes over from here. The machine forms bags from a continuous roll of film, precisely filling them with the weighed parts. The film is then securely sealed using our advanced sealing mechanism, which ensures airtight and durable seals to protect the contents. Key features of our weigh filling and packaging machine include high-precision dual-head weighing system, ensures accurate measurement and consistent weight for each package. Efficient bucket conveyor system, provides smooth transportation of parts, minimizing the risk of jams and ensuring a continuous flow. Vertical form fill seal, VFFS, technology, forms, fills, and seals bags in one seamless process, increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs. Flexible packaging options, capable of handling a wide range of bag sizes and materials, offering versatility for various packaging needs. User-friendly interface, intuitive control panel with easy-to-use settings, allowing for quick adjustments and minimal downtime. Robust construction, built with high-quality materials for durability and long-term reliability in demanding industrial environments. Our weigh filling and packaging machine is designed to deliver unmatched accuracy, efficiency, and reliability, making it the ideal solution for businesses looking to enhance their packaging operations.
If you are interested in staying up to date on the latest developments in processing and packaging machinery for fast-moving consumer goods, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. With over 150 videos featuring small to medium-size equipment, our channel is a great resource for learning about new projects and understanding the processes involved. We regularly update our channel with new content, so be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay informed. We look forward to having you as a member of our community.